Hey now, Mike Shamon here, and I just got my hosting and WordPress set up on Bluehost now for the very first time. And now what I have to do is I have to transfer all my websites from my current host, which is GoDaddy, to my new Bluehost one. So how I plan on doing this is just installing WordPress on the new host, because all my sites are WordPress. So installing WordPress on my new domain, and then uploading the website in WordPress and transferring it over that way. So let me show you what I'm going to do. All right, I'm going to go to plugins and I'm going to install plugins, and actually I'm going to go to add new. All right, and here I am going to search for all-in-one WP. That brings up this all-in-one WP migration. So I'll hit install now and then hit activate. So this is the domain that I want to move my current website to. So we go back here to the plugins and we can see it's installed right here. So now I have this all-in-one WP migration installed on the site that I want to be my new site. I go to my old site, I have this installed already, and I'm just going to go to export. All right, and this is a free plugin to use. Now if you go to export to, you can choose these other options: FTP, Dropbox, Google Drive, Amazon S3, OneDrive, Box. However, those are paid options. If you just go to File, Export to File, and then it'll pop up and it'll prepare to export your website. So depending on how big your website is, this may take a couple minutes to 20 minutes, depending on what it is and how big your website is. Get it all loaded up here, and then I'll show you how to extract this and import this to your new install of WordPress. Alright, so it has just stopped downloading. I'm just going to click download. There it goes. It's downloading right now to my computer. I hit close on this. Alright, and this is just going to take a little bit of time here. So the file just got done downloading. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my new site, and I'm going to go to the all-in-one migration. I'm going to go to import. And I'm going to go import from file. All right, and the import has started. Again, this is depending on how big your site is. We'll see how long it takes. So the import is about to wrap up. It's taken several minutes here, probably at least 5 minutes. I had probably about 35 posts on there and a good amount of images. And right here, just saying the import process will overwrite your database, media plugins, and themes. And if you're overwriting something, you probably want to make sure you have a backup of it. So I'm just saying proceed, and it is doing the final steps. And now it's importing the database, and there you go. You must save your permalink structure twice, permalink settings. All right, so close. So now I'm just going to go to settings and permalinks. I'm going to log in with my username and password for my old website, because that's what the admin is set as. And there we go. And I'm just going to save this. It says you got to save it twice, so I'll do that, and then I will do it again. Okay, and we should be good to go right there. So now let's see. And this is still a temporary domain, so I do not have a domain name right now. So some things are still loading. I did this site migration with a different website previously. These little things just take a little bit of time to come back to load. Accents, like this is a shopping cart symbol. This will be back, so you don't have to worry about stuff like that. What you want to do is you just want to make sure all your posts are in here. So you want to click on your blog, kind of look around, make sure everything looks right, make sure you have images that are showing up. This is a Google AdSense ad here, so that's probably why it's not showing up right this very second. All right. And okay, so the cart came back there, and then there were the symbols. So it's just taking a minute to load, but everything looks to be tip-top shape. So now what I have to do is I have to go to GoDaddy and change my name servers over to the Bluehost name servers. What I'm doing is redirecting my domain to point at the Bluehost server. What you have to do is you go into your Bluehost, your dashboard, and go to domains. All right, and I'm going to point MikeShamon.com at this server. So what I have to do here is go to name servers, copy the name servers, and I'm back in GoDaddy where I went to my domain, and then I went to my records, and I'm down here at name servers. I'm just going to go to change. So I'm going to go to custom, enter my name server, Bluehost 1, and then Bluehost 2, and then save. And those are switched, and they will take some time to populate. The new site will populate here very shortly. I know it doesn't take really that long, and it should be up and running. And that is how you transfer your, or that's how you assign your domain to Bluehost hosting. So overall, this process didn't take long at all. It took probably about 15-20 minutes, and most of that was uploading the theme and exporting the theme. So overall, the whole process took less than 15-20 minutes. I was really dreading this whole amount to move my hosting. It made it super simple. The all-in-one WP migration plugin was super awesome. So that is definitely highly recommended, and it's easy to do. Hey guys, one more thing I want to tell you about was my new digital guide, 3 tips for making WordPress websites quickly. So I reveal 3 tips in this guide that will let you in on simple, effective strategies to make WordPress websites extremely fast. So I thought this may interest you. Download the guide, it's free, and I use these tips every single website that I make, so it's kind of like a foundation that I use for my websites. So I wanted you to check this out. I put this together, and I want to make sure I give back to you guys and help you guys out and when making websites quickly. So thanks a lot, and check out the guide.